Well, the maps and weather charts, they're all Greek to me, but the Weather Bureau knows what the weather's gonna be. The forecast coming for you and me from who else but the weatherman.
And here's the latest weather report.
Good Friday, everyone. I'm Rick Mitchell. This is Hardcore Weather for Friday, August 21st. Yes, time is slipping away. Got to apologize for not getting more of these Hardcore Weather videos done this week, but it was busy, and I was staying late, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30 in the morning, so I decided to sleep during the time that I normally do Hardcore Weather. But weather is easy, so let's start off by looking at some of the rain totals over the last 7 days. So this is a 7-day accumulation. Kingfisher and Woodward, about 3.5 inches. Putnam and Weatherford, about 4 1/4. Around Enid, 4 to 5 inches. Medford, 8 inches. But southern Oklahoma, not much. Walters and Granfield, 0 over the last 7 days. You're looking at the 5-day forecast rainfall. Nothing in Oklahoma. It's all off to the east. There's the 12Z 500 millibar flow. Look at that big old trough over the northern plains, and boy, that's just unseasonably strong for this time of year, but it's driven a cold front all the way through Oklahoma, and that means we have a pretty nice day today, all the way through the weekend. That front will move into the northeastern United States today, so the SPC guys and gals have a slight risk of severe weather in the northeast. Let's talk about Hurricane Bill. Winds up around 120 miles per hour, well to the east of the U.S. There's the latest satellite picture. Looks pretty impressive to me. Wouldn't want to be messing with that. The good news is it's going to be recurving and staying east of the United States. Watch for some big surf off the northeast coast, but that is about it. Look at the GFS model over the next few days. This is going to be lunchtime on Saturday at 500 millibars. That trough moving into the eastern United States, ridge building just to the west of us. And again, our weather is going to be quite pleasant this weekend. High pressure centered over northern Minnesota is going to stretch all the way down here, so we'll have low humidity, very pleasant weather. There is lunchtime on Monday, so the trough's still over the eastern United States, but a big ridge over the central U.S. will start to warm back up again into the 90s next week. Certainly nothing in the way of precip expected, at least not the first few days of the week. Then we get on into Wednesday. The ridge is still there, but I want you to see that circle over Texas where it says 588. That's actually a weakness in the ridge, and that's going to help set the stage for maybe some late week rain. Wednesday lunchtime does show a cold front to the north I've drawn in, and tropical moisture across the southeastern United States. By next Friday, 1 week from today, we still have that weakness in the ridge over the Gulf Coast states, and that's going to bring in some tropical moisture. At the same time, we get a cold front in here. So I suspect that by this time next week, we will have some cool weather, perhaps some wet weather, Friday into Saturday. Jumping ahead to Sunday, and now this is all the way out to the 30th of August. No ridge, just kind of a flat flow across the U.S. Sprawling high pressure across much of the eastern and central U.S. will keep temperatures cool as we go into even next weekend. So really, not a whole lot happening over the next 7 days. Looks fairly dry up through about Thursday, and then we get that tropical moisture, cold front coming in from the north that may bring some showers and thunderstorms by next Friday, maybe even into next Saturday. And temperatures at that point, I think they're going to warm up a little bit next week, but just about normal, low 90s, and then by the end of next week, cooling back. So that is it for Hardcore Weather. A nice quiet pattern. I like that. Weekend looks great. Let's see. Next Hardcore Weather, probably not until Monday. Okay? I'm going to work Sunday, but I'll do a Hardcore Weather on Monday. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Talk to you later on Eyewitness News 5 at 5, 6, and 10 p.m. See ya.